Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to increase your Instagram ads spending limit very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you need to have a mobile phone. So it doesn't really matter if you are using an iPhone or Android device. So first of all, just install the Instagram application on your iPhone or Android device. So I've already done that. So just open up Instagram and log in into your Instagram account. So once you have done that, just click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen like this, and make sure you are using a business account, otherwise you won't get these options. So after you are on your profile, just click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, and then just go to settings and privacy, and here just click on business tools and controls like this, and then you just have to click on add payments at the top, and here you have to click on add new payment method, and it will redirect you to this page. So here you have to just complete these simple steps, and then you have to spend some money. So once you have spent some money on your Instagram account, there will be an option to upgrade your Instagram ads spending limit. So yeah guys, it's that simple. This is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.